Morning, dears. Last day's class, I have solved up to question number 6 from exercise 22. Look at question number 7. Here you have to get the value of theta. Solve for theta. Exercise 22.1. Question number 7a. It is given sin theta by 3 is equal to 1. Now here we have to get the value of theta. Sin theta by 3 is equal to, I can write it sin 90 degree because the value of sin 90 degree is 1. Or both the side sin is cancelled. So theta by 3 is equal to 90 degree, or theta is equal to 90 degree into 3, or theta is equal to 270 degree. Look at number B. It says cot square theta minus 5 degree is equal to 3. Now this side we have cot square. So I can write it cot theta minus 5 degree is equal to under root 3. Though it was square, so it goes that side. So cot theta minus 5 degree is equal to cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degrees value is root 3. Now both the side cot is cancelled. Theta minus 5 degree is equal to 30 degree, or theta is equal to 30 plus 5 degree, or theta is equal to 35 degree. This is question number 7. Then look at question number 8. Here you have to find the value of x in the following. Just see number 8. It says 2 sin 3x is equal to root 3, or we can write it sin 3x is equal to root 3 by 2, or sin 3x root 3 by 2 is the value of sin 60 degree, or 3x is equal to 60 degree, or x is equal to 60 by 3, x is equal to 20 degree. You should know the values. Once the value is learned, you can solve the sum. Otherwise, you will have a problem. I have nothing to do then. Look at question number E. It says root 3 tan x tan 2x is equal to cos 60 degree plus sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree. Is it? Now we'll be writing root 3 tan 2x. Cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Okay, 5. Root 3 tan 2x is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. For root 3 tan 2x, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gives you 1. Or tan 2x is equal to 1 by root 3. Or tan 2x is equal to tan 30 degree. Or 2x is equal to 30 degree. X is equal to 15 degree. This is question number 8. Please write it. Question number 9, it says, if sin theta is equal to cos theta and theta is greater than 0, less than 90, so what will be the value of theta? Look at question number 9. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. 0 degree, theta is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay. Now I am writing sin theta by cos theta is equal to cos theta by cos theta. Both the side I can divide by cos. The same thing I am dividing, or it gives you tan theta is equal to 1, or tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. 1 is the value of tan 45. So therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. Same way you have to do question number 10. Look at question number 11. Here they have given the value of root 2 and root 3, and you have to find the value of the following correct to 2 decimal places. Now you just put the value and get. Number 12. Here you have to put, number 11, you have to put the value of tan 60 degree. Root 3, then you have to put the value. Number B, you have to put the value of sin 45, cos 30, multiply, and then if it comes in the root, just give the value which is given on the top. Now here, given if theta is equal to 30 degree, then you have to find the values. Look at the first one. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Now tan 2 into 30 degree is equal to 2 into tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan 30 degree, tan square 30 degree, is it? Now tan 60 degree is equal to 2, tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3 down 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Now just we'll put the values, and left side will put the value of tan 60, right side will solve it. Or tan 60's value is root 3. Up we are having 2 by root 3. Down we are having 1 minus 1 by 3. Or root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Or root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. Root 3 is equal to root 3. Proved. This only we had to prove. Left side and right side should be equal. That we have to prove. Come to question number E, 12E. One minus sin 2 theta is equal to sin theta minus cos theta whole square. It is given. Okay. Now we'll just put 1 minus sin 2 into 30 degree is equal to a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the formula we know. Now once again I will be just placing sin 2 into 30 60 degree. Sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 into sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Now just put the values. 1 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2. 1 minus 2 sin 30 1 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. So 1 minus root 3 by, or you can write it 2 minus root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 2, or 2 minus root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 2. Proved. So up to 12 you have to finish it. Next day or maybe in the PDF I'll be sending you from question number 13 onwards. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in comment box, or tomorrow you have live class there. Thank you.